Do you think any countries have tried to solve this problem? What are the apparent solutions or easier quick fixes for this long-term problem at all levels, whether it's state government, federal government, or the legal system? So what do you think are the broad and social structures as well? What do you think are the comprehensive solutions which one could think about to come to supporting the idea of that all kids should get the opportunity to have a meaningful relationship with both the set of parents in the most safest manner?
Sure. The government's had a number of inquiries on this trying to fix up the problem, but most of them are focused on the parents' concerns and concerns by lawyers, sections of an act, making the procedures better, etc. But no one's really looked at the damage on children and the damage on society in terms of lives lost of the children, of the parents, children whose lives have run off the rails and have got involved in drugs, etc. We really need to look at all of that before we can say, hey, look, we've got to do something. Because at the moment, every time there's another government inquiry by this, it just doesn't tackle the issue deeply at all. It looks at a very superficial level and looks at legal concerns and sections of an act. We're talking about people here, people losing their lives, kids losing their lives, emotionally traumatised for the rest of their life. This is what we need to fix, and so far none of the Western governments really tackled this problem seriously. The only one is that some of the Scandinavian countries have much stronger presumption of joint physical custody after parents separate, and that's the best so far. But otherwise the traditional societies have the situation under a lot better control than Western societies.
The concluding question for you is, for younger parents at this stage who are either doing mediation or in the court system trying to fight the battle of custody for their kids, and both the parents think that whatever they're doing is the best interest of the child or the kids or the children. So what do you think on this journey, of this long, hard journey, what mindset should the parents have, on the mother and the father, so that what comes out in the end should be more positive for the young kids?
Sure. A lot of people go into this and they're thinking they're trying to do the best for their kids, but sadly a lot of them are really trying to do the best for themselves. What they need to do is educate themselves about the long-term outcomes for children and look at that and say, look, our kids are going to be better off if they spend lots of time with both parents, both uncles, both aunts, both grandparents, etc. Forget about them thinking that they're the better parent. Just put that aside. That's what they need to do.
Thank you. Thanks a lot, Michael.
Thanks very much, Dev.